Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Blue Ghost Tunnel. Gentlemen, how about we go have ourselves a little look and see what we see inside this ghost tunnel. It's actually pretty cool. Check out the architecture. Other than the graffiti, we got some pretty ancient old walls in here from before the turn of the century. We're talking a couple centuries ago. And in fact, take a look at the old railroad tracks down here. If you don't watch where you are stepping, you will do a face plant. You will become part of the ground. Actually, it's pretty cool in here today. Not too slick. It's been a pretty dry day. So we're actually about 1/3 of the way through this tunnel. Okay, we're at the center point of the Blue Ghost Tunnel. This is actually where the ceiling drops because of the overhangs, if you can see it. Old wooden spindles that have been here for over 100 years easily. It's really cool. You can actually start to hear the waterfall dripping down. The roof starts to leak off from wear and tear, and this is the point probably where we're going to get soaked. Okay, this kind of concludes our tour through the Blue Ghost Tunnel. I've basically gone as far as I can go, or actually the camera guys have. As you can see, we get a lot of tremendous water runoff coming out of the roof. And that's the end of the far end of the tunnel. That's actually all flooded out with water. But anyways, it's been a really cool trip through this tunnel. A lot of fun. Didn't see any ghosts, but actually saw my breath. I guess that's as close as the blue ghost myth I'm going to see.